Hi everybody, welcome back. It's me, Mila Rose, and it's time for our closeout of the budget for January. I've got my goals little notebook here where I keep track of all my numbers to help speed the process up. So I'll just set that to the side. And then we've got our planner. I'm super excited for our closeout this time. We are going to be making some nice moves towards some goals, adding some things, and figuring out some areas that I can improve on. So if you haven't already, go ahead and like this video. If you're interested in videos about designing the life that you love, go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see you in a little bit. All right then, so we are ready to go. We've got all of our budget right here for our second paycheck for January. And so we did $300 for envelopes, so that was the actual amount, $0 for NTTA. Now this is the moment where I was like, maybe I'm not doing the things I need to, because I was looking at my next month's budget and realizing that there's an issue with the business and how much I actually took out to support my business that I'm working on. So no for NTTA was taken out. And I generally don't. That's the toll system here in Dallas, and I don't really go anywhere. Don't need tolls anymore. So we had the 1808 for travelers. We had 79.99 for my internet. We had 177.33 for my car insurance. We had 126.25 for my phone bill. We took out 10 for Canva. And as you'll see, you've already seen in my February video, I've changed up some of my sinking funds a bit so that now Canva, Gym, which came out, well, Gym does actually come out of this one. It's $10.81. But Canva and travel staying in the next one. Canva, technology, and health are all coming out of sinking funds now at the beginning of the year, as opposed to being a part of that second paycheck budget. So that's a change that'll be coming up. 14 for Netflix, 0 for Metro, 10 for travel. We took out that 10 for travel. We took out 55 for business. So here's the thing. I'm working on a business budget because I do tarot readings, but I also do make incense and have candles and do oils and things of that nature. So that costs money to make these products. And because I've started this before, but didn't really keep up with it, didn't really do much with it, now I want to try to do better. So I made a budget and all of that great stuff. Issue is that I was working through the cost for the budget and how much I would have available to pull out of my income that I make to add to the budget. And I found that number, but I didn't put the full number in there because there are some things that I pay for annually, and I did not add that amount to the amount that I put here for $55 that I pull out every month. So it's off. It was short, which was fine because I had money already set aside for it, but I was like, oh, I have to fix that. So then I realized I would need $30 more to come out of this budget. And you'll see for February paycheck 2 how I worked that out to change that up. So that's just kind of how this is going now. And part of that is the whole NTTA thing, because I don't go anywhere and because I really probably don't even need this whole $40 every month just in case. I'm going to start doing a sinking fund for NTTA, and that will be how, if I use the tolls, I can pay for it out of that, and I'll just put it in the account since I have a cushion and everything like that. So those are some of the savings or some of the differences coming up. Next we have savings, which was $167. We have house that I took out $404. Technology was $10, cushion $5, debt $180, and health was $5. So my total came out to be 15 98.60. And then my leftover was technically $90, which I have these on the wrong line, and I'm okay with that. But because I want to start saving for NTTA, I'm taking an additional 20 from that. So I'm only going to actually have, so minus 20 for NTTA. I'm going to actually only have 70 left over to go into my additional payments section. So this is for when I close out. This is what I use as my system. And so for debt, we have 30%. That's going to be $21. Savings is going to be 20%. So that's $14. Business gets 10%, so $7. Technology gets $7 because that's 10%. Singing bowls gets $7 because it gets 10%. Emergency savings gets 5%. So I gave savings $4 because it's technically $3.50. And I'm going to get stocks $3. Giving gets 10%. So it gets $7 as well. And so that total should be $70. And then that gives us 0. So once I've used everything up, that gives us 0, and that's our zero-based budget. So my next video is going to be me moving money around and taking the cash that I've pulled out for zeroing this paycheck out. I'm going to take that cash and input it into my mini cash envelopes and updating all of that fun stuff. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope you've had a great month. January was a whirlwind, and I'm super excited to make some new moves in February and to get an even tighter understanding of where my finances are going, including taking a look at changing up some of the things that I've done and doing maybe some calculations, because I do track everything that I spend to kind of see really where my money's going. And I already kind of know what the answer of that is. It's makeup. Well, not makeup, skincare, because I don't really spend money on makeup, but I spend money on skincare and food. So we're going to see what we can work out about that. But anyways, if you like this video, go ahead and like. If you have any advice about maybe some ways to cut down on some of the spending. I'm not changing any of my subscriptions or anything like that, but I know that there are ways that I can shift around or ways that I can bring down different bills and things like that. Let me know. Let me know how your end of the month went. If you were over budget, under budget, if you had money left over. And go ahead and subscribe to my channel for more videos about budgeting and finance and all of those fun things and designing the life that you love. So I'll see y'all later. Have a great one. Bye-bye.